This is a brand new 2013 Toyota FJ Cruiser. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a locking rear differential, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.